So as you can see, I have assembled the lever for the changing gear on the gearbox. This is a new ball. The lever was cleaned and painted. Here inside we have some other components. We have this plate, which as you can see, this part in the center, it is the lever, which is traveling back and forth and also sideways. And these two little plates are the locking mechanism. This plate here and this one are the locking mechanisms for the forks. When you move the lever, this plate here, it is locking a fork from the gearbox. If you move in the other part, this plate will lock the fork in the gearbox. Also we have this bolt. As you can see, this bolt, it is in two stages. This is the thread and this is the pin. The pin, it goes here and is keeping the lever in the correct position. It will not rotate like this. The lever must be fixed on the housing here. So this bolt, which it goes here, have this role of keeping the lever in position and not to bounce like this. So we'll put some Loctite. Also, I have put Loctite on these two bolts because these bolts, if they drop in the gearbox, you understand that you will broke the gearbox. So this is how it is working in the front, in the back and sideways. So I have assembled the housing and now we see how we change the gear. This is the first gear, neutral. The second gear, neutral. Third gear, neutral. Fourth gear, neutral. Also, I have assembled the rear flange for the output shaft. And just for testing, I have put this nut on the back here, but I will put the original nut when I will assemble the engine and the gearbox on the frame. I have finished to test the engine. I was interested in oil leaks, but I have no oil leaks, and that it is a good thing. Now I can assemble the frame, the engine on the frame. I have tested also the clutch, it is working fine. I have changed the gears, working just fine. The engine, it is not overheating, which is also a good thing. I don't remember if I have mentioned before, but this pipe is new. I have changed the pipe. The first time I had the original pipe, but I did not like the pipe so much, so I have proposed to the owner to change this pipe. And now we are ready to assemble the engine on the frame.